Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard vibration on Samsung M35 device. Well, keyboard vibration feedback may be distracting for some users and can disrupt their focus and concentration while typing. So, turning off keyboard vibration also can help users maintain focus and productivity during tasks. Well, let's go to the tutorial. To begin, navigate to the settings menu on your device. Okay, once there, select the sounds and vibration options to access the audio settings. Okay, after that, scroll down within this menu until you locate the system vibration settings and tap on it to enter the corresponding controls. And within the system vibration settings, you can specifically disable the vibration feedback on the Samsung keyboard. Okay, by turning off this feature, you effectively remove the vibration response when typing on the Samsung keyboard, providing a quieter and more customized typing experience tailored to your preferences. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard vibration on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.